You can control the decimals and commas in the numbers by using fixed function. Fixed function rounds the number to the specified number of decimals and returns the result as text with or without commas. This function has three arguments. In number argument, select the number you want to round and convert to text. In decimals argument, type the number you want to display number of digits to the right of the decimal point or left of the decimal point. In no commas argument, to prevent commas, type true. To include commas, type false. In default, false is entered. Click cancel. Active this cell. Click text arrow button. Click fixed function. In number box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In decimals box, type 1. In default, 2 is entered in this box. Press tab key. In no commas box, type false. How this formula works? Fixed function round this number to the one number of decimal and returns the result with comma because false is entered in no commas box. Click OK. Function returns the number with comma and one rounded digit right of the decimal point. Paste the same formula in another cell. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Now active this cell. Click text arrow button. Click fixed function. In number box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. Type 1. Press tab key. Type true. If you type true in no comma box, function returns the result without commas. Click OK. Find function returns the number without commas and one rounded digit right of the decimal point. And this way you can use fixed function in an Excel worksheet.